Losing access to your crypto assets is one of the most stressful experiences in Web3. Whether you switched to a new device, cleared your browser data, forgot your extension password, or uninstalled the Phantom application, seeing an empty balance or a blank setup screen triggers immediate panic. However, in Web3 non-custodial environments like Phantom, your crypto funds do not live inside the app itself. Your assets remain safe on the blockchain, and access to them is controlled entirely through your cryptographic keys. Restoring your Phantom wallet is a straightforward process if you understand the underlying mechanics and follow the proper security protocols. The fundamental problem users encounter stems from a misunderstanding of how non-custodial wallets function. Unlike traditional web applications or banking portals, Phantom does not store user account passwords, reset links, or recovery keys on a central company server. If you forget your extension password, Phantom customer support cannot send a password reset link to your email. The primary fear during a restoration scenario is permanent loss of funds due to missing backup phrase details, typos, or falling victim to phishing scams during the recovery attempt. These fears are valid because crypto transactions are irreversible, but systematically addressing the restoration process eliminates the risk of human error. To successfully restore your Phantom wallet, you must first identify which authentication method was used during initial wallet setup. Phantom offers two main account creation paths: traditional 12 or 24-word secret recovery phrases, and Web3 social logins using Google or Apple accounts. Identifying the correct path prevents common restoration failures where a user creates a totally new, empty wallet by accident. If you are restoring using a traditional secret recovery phrase, start by installing the official Phantom browser extension or mobile application. Always verify that you are downloading the extension from the official website or verified App Store listings to avoid counterfeit applications designed to drain funds. Upon launching the newly installed application, choose the option labeled "I already have a wallet" rather than "Create a new wallet." Select Import Secret Recovery Phrase. Entering the secret phrase requires precise accuracy. Secret recovery phrases follow the standardized BP39 English word list. Each word must be typed in the exact numerical sequence in which it was originally generated. On mobile devices, ensure there is exactly one space between each word without autocorrect changing any terms. On browser extensions, enter each word into its designated input box. Common typing errors include misreading handwritten backup notes, confusing similar words like bird and birth, or swapping word columns. If the system reports an invalid seed phrase error, systematically double-check each word against the BP39 word list to correct spelling or order mistakes. Once entered correctly, Phantom will prompt you to set a local password. This password is specific to your device and extension session. If your wallet was created using a Google or Apple account, select the corresponding social login option on the setup screen. Ensure you sign in with the exact email address and provider originally used. Signing in with Google when the wallet was created via Apple, even if using the same email address, generates a completely separate, empty wallet address. If Phantom prompts for a 4-digit PIN code during social restoration, enter the PIN established during initial creation. A frequent concern after finishing the restoration process is missing accounts or tokens. Users often panic when they restore a wallet and only see their primary account, while secondary accounts or specific SBL tokens appear missing. Phantom automatically restores accounts that have active on-chain history. If secondary accounts do not appear immediately, navigate to the account manager inside Phantom, click Add/Connect Wallet, and select Create a New Account. Phantom rederives additional sub-accounts from the master seed phrase in their original order. Repeating this step will cleanly reveal all previous addresses and asset balances. Actionable takeaways for wallet recovery and security management. First, never input your secret recovery phrase into any website, web form, pop-up window, or direct message from supposed customer support reps. Official Phantom support will never ask for your recovery phrase. Second, store your secret recovery phrase offline using durable physical media, such as paper stored in a fireproof safe or stamped metal plates, avoiding digital cloud screenshots or unencrypted text files. Third, if you forget your browser password while the extension is still installed, do not uninstall blindly without verifying you possess your backup recovery phrase or social login access. Fourth, verify token visibility by manually adding token contract addresses if custom assets do not populate on the main wallet dashboard automatically after recovery. Fifth, consider integrating a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor with your Phantom interface to secure high-value balances, ensuring private keys remain isolated offline even during recovery events.